What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Here is an exciting news for all the Samsung Galaxy S23 series users out there. The wait is over. The first beta of One UI 7 is now available to download in the eligible countries on the Galaxy S23 series. I got the S23 Ultra over here. To check if the beta is available or not, all you need to do is just open the members application, that is Samsung members application. On the top, you will see these banners here. Just keep scrolling towards the right or left until you find this banner, One UI 7 beta program. It says be the first to enjoy the latest Galaxy experience, One UI 7 with Android 15 for the S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. Just tap on this banner. It will direct you to the registration page. Now here you have got some pointers which are very important to read. Make sure to back up your phone before you update. Now what you need to do is you will find this banner here as well. Tap on this banner and scroll all the way down. You will see an option here called enroll. Now I have already enrolled because beta program will be limited. It will not be available forever. So you have to quickly do this. Now I have already enrolled. So it is showing me withdraw option. If you want to withdraw, you can do that right here. Now since I have enrolled it, all I had to do was just go to the settings, tap on software update and tap on download and install, and boom, we have got the One UI 7 beta right here, and we have got all the changes mentioned here in this changelog. Let me take the screenshot for my reference. I will take the entire screenshot so that I can compare this changelog with the S24 series changelog or the S25 series changelog to let you know guys about what are the features missing on the S23 series compared to the S24 and S25 series. So let me go ahead and capture this screenshot. Looks like we have got more or less all the features. Let's go ahead. It's almost done. It's a big list of features and here we go. I've just taken the screenshot. Now what I'll do is I will show you guys the size of this update, which is 4732.85 MB, and the version number ends with ZYC3 and DYC3. For a change, it's really good to see One UI 7 Android 15 on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now let me go ahead and resume download. It's showing me about 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. I think it's going to take just about 3 to 4 minutes to download this update. Once it's done, I'm going to install it and I will come back to you guys and show you guys the animations and the other features that have been added on One UI 7 on the S23 series. I will be making a separate video to show you guys the features which are missing when compared to the S24 and S25 series. So stay tuned for that video. In this video, let's briefly discuss about all the new features. Let's check the stability, check the animations. So keep watching the video. Alright, now the update is installed. As you can see, we have got a notice here. It says this is beta software. Due to the nature of the test version, unexpected errors may occur. Please make sure to back up important data in advance. Any errors that are found may be used to improve future versions. Let me tap on OK. You can see we got a new welcome page here, One UI 7 with this beautiful gradient background, looks cool. I'll tap on start. Now you can see we've got the introduction to Galaxy AI, call assist, writing assist, interpreter, note assist. We've got photo assist, Samsung internet, drawing assist. Let's see if we have got this new drawing assist here or not. Let me tap on next. Now here it's showing me instant access to notifications and quick settings. I'll tap on next. You're all set up. See what's new. Let me tap on home here. Here you go. You can see some brand new icons here. The phone dialer app, gallery and camera and messages, and it looks like the clock app still has got this old icon. I think we'll have to go to the Galaxy store and check the updates here. Let's see if we have got any updates for the S23 Ultra. Yes, we do have update for the clock, voice recorder, Samsung internet browser, AR Doodle, Samsung Cloud, My Galaxy, Good Lock and Camera Assistant. So these are some new updates which you will have to install immediately after installing the beta version. Otherwise, the new features on these applications may not be available. So go ahead and download and install these applications. Let me tap on update all. Let's install everything here and then move on to the features. Alright, now all the applications have been installed. Now let's go ahead and check out the animations first. I know a lot of you guys are interested in the new animations. Let's go to the app tray. Now by default, the vertical app drawer is not enabled here. So what you need to do is you need to tap on this three dot button and tap on sort and tap on alphabetical order. Now you can see this is the vertical scrolling we have got. and it is very smooth. Now we have seen a lot of bugs when the first beta on S24 Ultra was received, but here this seems to be pretty stable. We don't have that watermark here on the vertical app tray, so this should be the smoothest version compared to the first beta that we got on the S24 series. So we have got the app tray, vertical app drawer here, and it is very smooth. You can see on this bar here, if I scroll through this, you can see as per alphabets these applications are showing up, and the first alphabet and the first application in that alphabet will be bouncing like this. You can see if I go to M, members app is bouncing after L, and if I go to let's say K, keep notes is bouncing here. So that's how it indicates the first application in that specific alphabet. Now this is the app tray. Now let's swipe towards the left and right. It's smooth. Let's press and hold on the home screen. Let's open a few applications now. We've got that bouncy effect here. You can see it is looking pretty cool. I'll open camera. That is also pretty fast. Let me open Galaxy Store. Let's go to the recents. It is very smooth, guys. One UI 7 animation here on the S23 series, S23 Ultra specifically here. This is amazing. Let's try to close one by one. That is the animation for you guys. Now let's open the quick panel. We've got the brand new quick panel here. It is divided into notifications and quick settings. If I swipe towards the left, we've got the notifications. Swipe towards the right, we've got the quick panel, and the animation is also pretty smooth. Like I said, this is going to be one of the most stable betas we have received as far as One UI 7 is concerned, because it's already tried and tested on the S24 series. Now, as you can see, I have already set up some new widgets here. These are some brand new widgets. Let me press and hold on the home screen, tap on widgets. We've got all new widgets over here. The suggestions are here. Let me just show you quickly some of the new widgets. This is the battery widget. We have got the calendar widgets. We have got 3 different categories for these applications. This is the countdown widget, month widget, and we have got today widget. And we also have upcoming widgets here. Then we've got camera. We've got 3 of them, and we can set different shortcuts for these. Then we've got clock. You can see alarm shortcuts, alarm widgets, analog clock widgets, digital clock widgets, and dual clock widgets. And we have got contacts, some new widgets here. We have got digital well-being, new widgets again. And we have got the gallery widget, brand new widgets here again. And then we have got good lock. Now these are the new good lock widget. This has to be updated. The good lock app itself needs an update. If you have the latest version of good lock, you will get these widgets for good lock as well. Then we have got the health widgets. Next, we have got internet. We have interpreter widgets. You can see these are some brand new interpreter widgets. Then we have got modes and routines. Then we have notes widgets, some new notes widgets here. Music, the brand new logo, you can already see music app is already updated. And then we have got reminder widgets, categories, and we also have weather widgets, current weather and forecast, and weather and clock widget together. So these are the widgets that we have. These are the brand new widgets available now on the S23 series on One UI 7. Now let's quickly go back to the quick panel here. I will tap on quick panel settings. Now here you can see we will be able to quickly move these quick panels. These panels itself we can move, or we can further edit these buttons here. You can just add them from the bottom, or you can just remove it from here and tap on done. And if you want to go to the panel settings, just tap on this. If you want the older panel together, you can just select this and make it together and make it separate. Then you can also switch the quick panel position. You can enable this to switch quick panel on the left side. That's another option that we have got. Now let's quickly go to the lock screen. Let me press and hold on the lock screen and unlock it. Now here we have got the customization options on the lock screen. You can see the clock styles can be changed. We now have font color on the left, and we have got style on the right. And for each clock we can change the font, and we can also tap on this 3-dot button to download fonts from the store and add it, which is fantastic. And we also have this option, this bar here, slider, to increase or decrease the thickness of the clock. Let me just change the style here. Under style, we've got multiple different options. We've got 2 new options here. You can see these are with some animation effects, which look pretty cool. Now let me set the standard one here. I can increase the size. I can move the clock all the way to the center, which is pretty awesome. Now you can see I can put it to the top, or I can come all the way down till the center, and I can increase the size as well. Now let me move it to the top, and increase the size here. And you also can see the new shortcuts right here. The way it looks is a little different now compared to the One UI 6.1, and there are a few more changes which we have already discussed in detail. Let me tap on wallpapers here. Let's see if we have got anything new here. We still don't have the ambient wallpaper available. It is just the generative wallpaper that we have, and that's it right here. Now let's try to change the wallpaper. Let me tap on the wallpapers here, and I'll select a specific wallpaper here, maybe this one, tap on done. Now you can see we have got suggest, gallery, frame and effect options. If you tap on suggest, you will get some frame suggestions here. As you can see, this looks pretty cool, and it also suggests the clock. I can swipe towards the right to check more variations, more options here. I can tap on suggest again to change these options and get some new options here. This is pretty cool. Let me just go back here. We have got frames. These frames were already available. These features were already there, and I think this last new frame has been added recently. And then we have got the effects. Here we have got these options: original, blur, and blurred background. I think this is new if I'm not wrong. Let me know in the comment section. Now let me just go back here. This is how we change the lock screen wallpaper. That is the effect. I'm sorry about the background noise. There is some work going on next to my studio here, so you might be hearing some background noise in the video. I'm sorry about that. Now we just saw the lock screen customization options. Now let's check if we have got the now bar or not. Let me open the clock. I will run the stopwatch here, and let me swipe up here. You can see we have got the live notification right here. I can tap on this to expand this clock or the stopwatch, and this should also be available on the lock screen. Let's check this out. Yes, we do have now bar on the lock screen on the Galaxy S23 series. We can tap on this to expand it, and we can pause or resume the clock. Likewise, we've got multiple other functions which can be made available on the lock screen itself, and you can also see that live activity happening here on the top on the status bar also, by tapping on which you can expand it. We have seen this now bar feature in detail in my other videos, so if you missed that, you can check out my video about the S24 series or the S25 series. Let me pause this now. So we do have now bar on the S23 series. Now let's move on to the settings here. I'll tap on settings. And here on the settings also, the animations are different now. Let me open display. As you can see, the animation or this transition is happening from right to left when you open a specific setting. Earlier it used to be from bottom to top, and now whenever you open something here, it goes from left to right, which is a welcome change, and it looks pretty cool as well. Now let's go to the home launcher settings. I'll press and hold on the home screen, tap on settings. You can see this brand new option here. App size can be customized from right here. We've got app label option, widget labels, and home screen grid has been changed to only 4:6 and 5:6. We don't have those additional options now on One UI 7, but we can still customize it on the brand new home up module which we have. Now let me cancel this. Here we have got the app screen grid as well. Let me tap on this. Again here 4 columns, 5 columns option we have got, and we got folder grid and a few more additional options. Now let me go back. Now let's check out the camera application. I'll open camera. As you can see, we have got this brand new panel here at the bottom now. We have got all these menu options are right here. By tapping on this icon, you can expand it. Earlier on One UI 6.1, we had all those options right here on the top. Now it is more accessible, and Samsung has also added some brand new features like exposure options and some additional options. Let me just switch this. Some additional options on the Pro Video, and this is also a brand new menu option that we have got. And we have got the Bixby Vision here. No more AR Zone feature. For AR Zone, you'll have to download the AR Zone application separately, like AR Doodle, and a couple of other options can be downloaded. A couple of other applications can be downloaded, and that will be available separately on your app tray. Now we do not have the AR Zone. I've already posted a video about the camera application on One UI 7 in detail. I will probably leave a link in the description. Now let's go back here. Let's go to the settings, and let's tap on battery settings here. Now here on the battery, let's see if you have got some additional options on battery protection. I'll enable this. Basic, adaptive, maximum. On maximum, we should be having some new options. Yes, we do have it. Your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%, 85%, 90%, and 95%. So this is a brand new option now we have on One UI 7, now available on the Galaxy S23 series as well. I always set it to 95%, so it's up to you guys. If you want to maintain the health of your battery and increase the longevity, then you need to use these options, so go ahead and use them. And now under power saving, here we have got a couple of new options. You can see we have got this set motion smoothness to standard. If you disable this, your motion smoothness will be at 120 Hz even when you are on power saving mode. Let me enable power saving mode. Now you can see it is set to standard by default, which is 60 Hertz. And if you want to run your phone on 120 Hertz, you can just disable it and turn it off. It'll also turn off this toggle, which is limit CPU speed to 70%. So even on power saving mode, you might be losing some battery because of this specific settings. But yeah, it's great to have motion smoothness set to 120 Hertz when you're on power saving mode. That is just fantastic. Now let's check out some AI features. Let me open messaging application and type something here, and I'll select this text. And you can see here we've got this AI icon. We can tap on this to check out the brand new layout here. You've got spelling and grammar, writing style, summarize, bullet point, table, composer. All these options are available on the S23 series as well. And when you tap on this AI icon on the keyboard, you've got composer, spelling and grammar, and writing style. Now let's check out this edge panel here. Let's see what's happening here. It says check out new Galaxy AI features, AI select, sketch to image, and interpreter. Now let's open the sketch to image feature. Let's see if this is the brand new layout that we have. No, we still do not have that new layout we have on the S25 series. It is still exclusive to the S25 series, and it is not available on the S24 as well as S23 series. So let me show you that new layout that we have. Let me open the Galaxy S25 Ultra here. Let's go to the drawing assist. Now this is the new layout that you're seeing, and this is not available on the S23 series, nor it's available on the S24 series. So that's a bummer. We do not have this new layout, but anyways, it does the job. So this is what we have. And then we also have this option, the new AI select. You can just tap or draw on something on the screen and it will give you these contextual menus. I think this should be the latest version that we have on the S23 series. Now let me open the phone app here. Let me tap on three dot button and tap on settings. Now you can see we've got the call transcript option. When you use this feature, it will automatically convert recorded calls into a text transcript. You can view transcripts on the recent screen in the phone application, which is fantastic. There's one more feature which I forgot to mention, which is expanding the folders here. As you can see, when I press and hold on this folder, I can tap on enlarge. I think there is no space here. Let me bring this folder to the other page. Now here, let me press and hold on this and tap on enlarge. You can see this particular folder is enlarged and we can see all the application icons right here on this enlarged folder. And if you want to shrink this, all you need to do is press and hold on it and tap on shrink. Now let's also check out the new charging animation here. Let me plug in the charger. You can see we've got this brand new pill which is available right here. Super fast charging, it says. And I think we should be able to see that here as well. Let me show this to you again on the battery icon here, the battery pill. Yeah, we have got this new animation on the battery pill as well. And this is the brand new battery pill that we have got on One UI 7. Now this is an overview of all the changes that we have got on the Galaxy S23 series. I think more or less all the features are available compared to S24 series, but I will get back to you guys and tell you whether there are any features missing on the S23 series. So stay tuned for that video. I'll also review One UI 7 on the S23 series. So if you want to stay updated with all these information, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. This is a premium wallpaper available on Wallverse application. You can go ahead. There are some free wallpapers available as well as some premium wallpapers. This is the icon. You can see this is the application. We've got all the free wallpapers here that runs with ads, and we also have some collections here. And if you want to get rid of ads and unlock all these collections, you can go premium. The link for this application is in the description. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. You guys take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.